Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to add Cash App on Plaid. Adding Cash App to Plaid might sound a bit daunting, but it isn't. So the first thing you need to understand is that adding Cash App on Plaid is not in your control. But what you can do is submit a request to Plaid to add Cash App to its list. To do so, you simply need to open any of your Plaid-supported preferred financial app, and then simply navigate to Link Bank Account option. It'll take you to this Plaid screen, where you'll see a list of all the available financial institutes listed on Plaid. From here, simply type in Cash App in the search bar on the Select Your Account page. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to tap on the Cash App name to submit request for it. After selecting the Cash App name, you'll see a green requested message that indicates that the request has successfully went through. Hopefully, it'll add Cash App on Plaid. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.